Luke was actually one of my favorite teachers in the course this last 2 weeks, and what I really appreciated about his classes were, first, that they were inspirational. You could tell from his teaching that he was excited about what he was talking about. He'd done a lot of research. He was giving us tons of examples too. He was really going deep into the subject, but I loved the fact that he was giving us a lot of real life examples in all of his courses. So he was giving us this theory component, but giving us these real life situations that were actually occurring, so we could kind of visualize it in our mind. Going on to that second piece of visualization, I loved the fact that he was using technology in a way that was really not focusing directly on the PowerPoints and reading off them, but using them as visual aids to help us. And it was really, what I liked about his classes is that they almost felt discussion-based. Even when we weren't having sort of a two-way dialogue, he was talking with us and supplementing sort of what he was saying with pictures and diagrams to give us a fuller understanding of the concept that he was explaining. And the other thing that I really liked about his classes were sort of this personal connection that he was able to bring into them. We did a few exercises in class where the subject material turned into a sort of individual exercise where we were able to analyze something in our own lives that was meaningful to us, and either how to use the tool or the idea or the thought that we were discussing in class and how to express it in our own lives. And that was a really nice opportunity to kind of focus inward and think sort of personally about what this permaculture principle or idea meant to us, and also how we could, after the course, express that in the sort of outside world when we all leave the course. Another thing that I loved about Luke's courses was his organization. He was really able to bring sort of a large concept or idea and break it down into understandable steps, or just sort of organizing it in our mind to make sense of it in a practical way. I always found that in his class there was kind of this organic flow that you could feel, so you could kind of understand what the direction in which the class was going. It made logical sense that each idea fed into the next idea, and it was sort of, we're building up this sort of concept or set of tools, and it was really, it made a lot of sense in my mind after, even when I look back at my notes. It has this sort of like logical flow of sort of point A to point B, and then you can get to point C from kind of what he was telling us about.